Having a limited liability company in Poland is slightly more advanced way of doing business in comparison to sole trader. Basically, this company has its own legal entity. We call it personality, which means that there is a separation between you as a private person and your company as a separate, let's say, being. LLC is called in Polish spółka z o.o., which means that you will have to have at least one person as a board member or several members who own shares of the company. The biggest advantage of this type of company is that you can avoid all responsibility that your business is doing. There are some exceptions, but we're not going to go into details at this moment. What I would like you to remember is that LLC is separation from you and the company. This kind of business is established with a written agreement when the division of shares is precise in advance. You also have to have an input of 5,000 Polish zlotych as an initial capital. In this case, the company is always a VAT taxpayer. In case of sole proprietorship, you can choose and sometimes you can resign from this oblivion. But in case of LLC, you are always by assumption or by default registered in VAT register. There is far more flexibility in terms of naming the company. In case of sole proprietorship, you have to have your name and second name, whereas in case of LLC, you only need to put the abbreviation of the legal name, which is name of the company, for instance, International Trade, LLC, which is in Polish SP z o.o. Technically, you have to use the whole name because this is the full legal name of the company.